Welcome to Smart Education. This is Anjali here. Now we are going to solve quadratic equation of class 10th, practice set 2.1. Remaining questions. As you can see here, question number 4. Determine whether the value given against each of the quadratic equations are roots of the equation. So first equation is given x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So two number they have given x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. So we have to substitute this value in this equation and find whether it is a root of quadratic equation or not. So we are going to solve first. So first equation, first we'll substitute x is equal to 1 in equation. So I'm writing directly in place of x 1 square plus 4, again in the place of x 1 minus 5 equal to 0. Next step, square of 1 is 1 plus 4 multiply by 1 will get 4 minus 5 equal to 0. Again 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Understand? So we'll get 0 is equal to 0. Therefore x1 is a solution of the x1 is a root of given equation. You can write, or you can write x1 is a solution of given equation. I hope you understood the first equation. Next equation we are going to substitute minus 1. I am writing here. I hope it is visible. X square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Substitute value, that is x is equal to minus 1. In the place of x minus 1 square plus 4. In the place of x again minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, now here you can see minus 1 square minus minus plus, so we'll get 1, and this minus and plus will become minus, then 4. Again here you can see it is minus 5 plus minus minus 4 multiply by 1 4, this minus, then 5 equal to 0. Here minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0. Again you will get minus 8, which is not equal to 0. So this is not, so x is equal to minus 1 is not a solution of quadratic equation. I hope you understood. Next equation is given, that is 2m square minus 5m equal to 0. So we have to substitute two value to get to know whether it is a root of quadratic equation or not. First one is 2n, next one is 5 upon 2. We'll start with this one. First substitute m equal to 2 in the given equation. So in place of m we are going to write 2, 5. Again in place of m 2 equal to 0. Okay, I hope you are getting. Next step, 2 square is given, so it will become 4. It will become 4. 2 4s are 8 minus, this is what, 5. 5 2s are 10 equal to 0. Now after doing subtraction, the big number having minus value, so we will write minus 2, which is not equal to 0. So therefore m equal to 2 is not a solution of quadratic equation. I hope you're getting me. Now we are going to solve the second one. First I'm going to write here 2m square minus 5m equal to 0. Substitute m equal to 5 upon 2 in the given equation. So 2 in the place of m, 5 upon 2 square minus 5 again in the place of m, 5 upon 2 equal to 0. Now here you can see we are having 2, and after that 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 2. 25 upon 4 minus 5 upon 2 as it is I am writing. Now here you can see 1s are 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We'll get 25 upon 2 minus 2 5 5s are 25 upon 2 equal to 0. Again they are going to be 0. So 0 is equal to 0. I hope you are getting. Therefore m is equal to 5 upon 2 is solution of quadratic equation, or you can write is root of the given equation. Solution is given. Find k if x equal to 3 is a root of equation. Equation is given kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. So we have to find the value of k here. So what is given? Root given, that is x equal to 3. Got it? Now so we are going to substitute first. So substitute x is equal to 3 in given equation. So we'll write k. In place of x we are going to write 3 square minus 10. Again in place of x we are going to write 3 plus 3 equal to 0. Now k, again 3 is a 9. The square of 3 is 9 minus 3 multiplied by 10 will get 3 multiplied by 10 will get 30 plus 3 equal to 0. I hope you are getting me. Next step, 9k. Here minus plus minus will come, will get minus 27. The value of big number is minus, where we are writing minus 27 equal to 0. Now 9k equal to this minus 27 will come this side, it will become positive 27. Now again k is equal to 27 upon 9. 9 1s are 9, 3s are, k is equal to 3. We got the value of k 3. I hope you understand. Now we are going to solve next question. Our equation 5m square plus 2m plus k equal to 0. Now we are going to write minus 7 upon 5 is a root of quadratic equation. In place of m we are going to substitute minus 7 upon 5. So 5 minus 5 upon 5 minus 7 upon 5 square plus 2 again minus 7 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. Got it? Now next step is the square is given, so minus minus will become plus. 7 7s are 49. I'm going to write 5 2 times plus, as it is this step we are going to write. Next the 5 will get cancelled. Now 49 upon 5 plus 2 7s are 14 minus 14 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. 49 upon take common 5. Now here minus plus minus 14 plus k equal to 0. Now 49 minus 14, we got 49 minus 14 plus minus minus, then 14 upon common 5 plus 4 equal to 0. Again next step is 49 minus 14 will get 35 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. Next, after dividing both, we'll get 7k equal to 0, and between plus sign will come. Again k is equal to, this 7 will come this side, will get minus 7. So value of k is minus 7. I hope you understood how to do this. Please follow this step, and it is very easy once you understood. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Maharashtra. I hope you understand each and every step. Like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Smart Education Maharashtra. Thank you.